there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software for you called ProfitMarc, and this one in a nutshell is an AI application that actually works as autoresponder, and this helps to comply with Google's Gmail's 2024 changes, which means this product is going to actually let AI write, upload and send emails and SMS using inbuilt DMARC, DKIM and SPF email sending addresses, and that means they have done for you addresses where these emails are going to be sent. Like if you have a big subscriber base, and this email AI is going to sort of create an auto-responding arrangement that helps you send emails in bulk to leads that are already out there subscribed in a network that you are going to be synchronized with this AI, and that means you will be able to have dedicated IPs and SMTP sending servers, which is inbuilt, and you can always have this comply with the new laws of the Gmail and Yahoo rules. This is an amazing product from Mike McKay and Radu, and it's going live on the 17th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this product is going to go live. If you stick with me, I will show you through the very members area, which is exactly this, and also play you the demo video of this product in action so that you see what you have as long as this one is concerned. So what I would advise us to do now is to go further to take a look at the brief of the email addresses and of course the bonuses that I have for you, including the pricing for this very product. This is ProfitMarc, which is going live today, the 17th, and of course take you to the sales page where you will be able to see some of the details about this. At any time you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description will bring you to this sales page, which is this, and you pick up a copy using this link. They are all scattered all over this page, and of course I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel and use the bell icon for notification. Now let us dig deep into this one. This is what the creators are saying, that it is the only cloud autoresponder that comply with Gmail's February 2024 changes, which writes emails for you and blasts to done for you leads daily using artificial intelligence. And this will be done from dedicated IPs and SMTP sending servers that come inbuilt with this ProfitMarc, and it has inbuilt DMARC, DKIM and SPF plus guaranteed low spam, custom domain names and more, and this is fully compliant with the new Gmail and Yahoo rules. And these are some of the basic benefits with this one. Is a state-of-the-art cloud autoresponder with no restrictions, and you use the pre-approved email addresses that are already accepted by Gmail and Yahoo, pre-warned to so the inbox every time. That means anytime you send to these very email addresses, it is sure, 90% sure, that it's going to hit the email box, not to go as spam. And it has done for you setup for DMARC, DKIM and SPF custom domain names and low spam score addresses, and you have inbuilt dedicated SMTP sending servers included, and of course pre-configured on the AI application ProfitMarc, and it has inbuilt dedicated IP pools for best delivery included, and then pre-configured as well. And other autoresponders give you long tutorials to follow, but ProfitMarc actually does all the work for you. This is why it is working with AI as the technology dictates, and you don't have your own list. You don't need to have your own list, because they have done for you leads where this list is amassed in such a way that you will be able to make use of them by sending your proposal. It could be affiliate marketing products, it could be anything, and you'll be able to deliver to the email instead of the spam, and it can write your own emails, no problem. The AI will actually do so for you, and that's because every day it is on autopilot, and you start mailing today and make your first affiliate sales. Like I said, 20,000 plus customers trust this very application with their emails marketing every day, and you save 99% uptime and 99% deliverability. So that means you have actually you are sure of getting the target emails inbox, not just by spam, and you can store up to 1 million emails leads on your list, and you have instant import with no double opt-in for verification. And you can send SMS text to telephones, anyone right within the application. That means wherever that application is, if there are emails out there, maybe business emails, you'll be able to reach them with the mechanism. This is exactly what they are telling us with this one. Okay, you don't have any monthly fees ever, and it is beginner friendly and cloud-based and mobile responsive. That means you can use it on your tablet, on your Android mobile, iPhone, and of course your desktop. Okay, so that's exactly what it does. An auto-responding application that helps you send to prepaid and pre-made and pre-configured email addresses, which always target up to 90%. You definitely deliver into the inbox instead of the spam. So that's what makes it a very good one if you are into auto-responding and into email marketing or any of the things. You have newsletter you send to your audience. This may be an application you use to design it in a way and use the strategies you need to actually get it working for you. Okay, so I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you'll be able to take a look at this and see if it's going to be for you. If you are ready to buy this, the step one, when you eventually do, you'll be able to go to this very software, and then of course do the configurations there, and you log into the cloud-based email platform that has 20,000 plus people already use this one, and you'll be able to get started with this. And step two will be to upload your list or use the inbuilt done for you email leads. That means you can upload your own leads if you have a subscriber base already, a huge list, or whatever amount of list you have, you can use it with this application. And that's why it has done for you email leads inside the application, which is what I tried to tell you before. And in step three, AI email writer and enjoy profit-sucking money-making emails right away. That means you can send to your customers, your subscribers, as new newsletters, any offer you have, and all these things are going to be programmed with this application. So it makes a lot of sense to me. Now, these are some of the testimonials, and these are all big guys who are actually testifying to the goodness with this one. This is Shay Adeleke, the great one, and you see, so it has a lot of weight if you understand what I mean. And these are some of the income proofs which you are going to see and go through at your convenience. So it's a good one for people who have access to email marketing, for affiliate marketing, for any other use you can use it for, as long as you are sending bulk emails to your subscribers, and of course to leads that are already pre-configured with this very application. So that's the much we can take on this sales page. Now let us take a look at the very video for this product in action, because unfortunately up till now I've not been able to receive the direct access to the review access of the dashboard. So we are going to definitely play the video now so that you see how it's going to be configured and how it's going to bring out these capabilities for you. After that, we'll take a look at the pricing and then see my bonuses, and we'll go from there.
Upcoming in February 2024 are new restrictions from Google and Yahoo on email sending. These restrictions stop anyone from bulk sending without their sender policy framework, domain keys identified mail, and domain-based message authentication fully verified. This is huge because this will stop thousands of people from sending bulk emails from unverified email addresses. But this is where ProfitMarc comes into play. With ProfitMarc, you have access to a large pool of domains and email addresses that you can use to send your emails. They are already verified and have all of their records installed, so you can hit inbox. So let me show you how it looks. Since there's no need to set up any sender domains and ProfitMarc comes in with pre-added lists, all you really have to do is to start creating your campaigns. To do that, it's as easy as going to create campaign, selecting regular, selecting the list, a list that I've generated within ProfitMarc, and then to just set it up. So for example, we can go through. We've asked our AI to generate our title, and we can keep scrolling through all of these suggestions until we find one that has a high score. We can select which name we want to send from. I'll just send it from ProfitMarc. And then, as I've said, you have access to multiple sending identities. So for example, if I want to send it with my name, I'm just going to select Kalin, and then I'm just going to put in this domain, for example. And we're just going to go ahead with the template. And I like my emails simple, so I go with blank. And if you want to go with adding important stuff like our logo, our YouTube, our social links, everything is possible from within ProfitMarc's email designer. However, we can just go with some text, and not even that, we can just ask ChatGPT to generate everything for us. So for example, we can go ahead and say email about an email marketing software called ProfitMarc, and we can click generate, and it generates this incredibly beautiful mail for us where we just have to put in our name, put in a link, and that's it. So I'm just going to click save and close here, and done. So we have our email. We can add a pre-header if we want, we can add an attachment. We schedule it according to our own time zone, so there's no complicated time conversions. And done. So we have everything here, and we have a spam score of 0 out of 0, which is perfect. It means this email is guaranteed to hit inboxes, and I'm just going to send myself a test email here. And done. If we open it up in Gmail, we can see it exactly how we sent it. It reached our inbox and we're set. Now, moving on. So, with pre-added lists, several templates you can choose from, and pre-added sending identities, ProfitMarc is a no-brainer. So, check it out right now and find out how to finally bypass those restrictions.
Welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and training courses that are going to help you make money online. Now, let's take a look at the pricing for this very product. The front end goes for $17, which gives you access to the software, which is going to sort of turn up now. This software, when you do, you'll be able to enjoy the services of getting autoresponding AI application that helps you send bulk emails to your email addresses, and of course deliver to some of the done-for-you leads already configured in the application. Now the OTO number 1, which is the upgrade number 1, goes for the unlimited version, and this one goes for the $693. And let us see exactly what it does for you. This is all the things that you have with the very front end. You create 100% from the group up to guarantee, perfect 24-hour mailing, okay, and you have inbuilt dedicated IP pools that ensure best delivery, and everything is included there. So you have a lot of items that are taken care of with just the front end, and here you have the OTO number, which is the pro version. That means everything is unlimited for you, and you have 300 plus done for you emails already, commercial and developer license, deluxe, pro email templates, and premium support. These are all you have with the very upgrade number 1, which is the pro version. And you have the upgrade number 2, which is the OTO number 2 for $26.93. OTO number 3 will give you for $36.93, and you have OTO number 4 for $26.93, and number 5 for $97. Let us see exactly what is going to be for number 5. So that will be the IMX bundle. You see all you have here, the seller rights and done for you edition. So you have all of that there, and you have the number 6 as 97, number 7 97, and number 8, I believe they will sell the white label. It goes for 197. That means you'll be able to sell this product as if it's your own, rebrand it and change the name and launch it as if it's your own. So it's another way of getting things done. If you can afford it, we can do that for you, or buy at least the front end and the upgrade of the pro version, so that you have everything basically unlimited for you, and that takes care of the pricing for ProfitMarc. Now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. And this number 1 is the ultimate multi-level marketing secret. Number 2 will be email list building expert, and you have internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, 30-day to bigger email list ebook. You see everything with this very bonuses are such that they have a lot to do with this very product, because you can learn how to be a good affiliate marketer using these secrets, and as well you can learn how to get a big email list which you can actually send messages to and make money by selling products to them. And you have chatbot marketing mastery, you have building the perfect sales funnel, very important for automation. You have blogging for profit. You have email list building blueprint, another one that has to do with this very ProfitMarc application, and you have number 10 as the copywriting crackdown, which helps you with the prompts that you need on GPT-4 or any of the other engines where you get information. And this is exactly what takes care of the bonuses that I have for you. Now I will encourage us to go back to the sales page and wrap this one up. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and remember that this product ProfitMarc is going live on the 17th of January, which is today, at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this very button will become operational, and you can pick up this product and view there to make use of the done-for-you leads that you have access with this very cloud auto-responding application. Okay, it should be one of the best for 2024, and then I will make sure I come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike, Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye.